This tutorial will guide you on how to create a bank account in Access Pro. Log into the system with the respective login credentials. Go to Finance module. Click on Chart of Accounts. Double-click on Assets. Double-click on Current Assets. Find cash equivalents from the list and double-click on it. Right-click on Cash Equivalents and select the option New Ledgers from the list. Enter the ledger or bank name in this field. Click on OK, Create. For the next step, click on Finance module again. Click on Bank Accounts menu. The following window will appear. Enter the bank account name in this field. Click the selected button. In the bank account GL code field, select the ledger created earlier from the drop-down. Fill the rest of the required fields. Click on Add New. Upon successfully adding a new bank account, a message will be displayed on top. If not, an error message will be displayed. The process of adding a new bank account is completed now.